Welcome back, people. Totally random night ride. I don't really expect to do much talking in this video. It's just gonna be a ride. Can't bother to talk, but I can definitely be bothered to ride, although it's freezing. That's what you get to drink tonight. So Supreme though, good stuff. Actually cold. Yeah, we're recording. Alright, anyway, bike needs a good clean. It's filthy. It's very unlike me to not clean it. My one bit forged looks sexy on that side. The other is missing, but it's been sorted. Took the carving off this as well, if you guys didn't notice. Carving from there is gone. So yeah, that's what we're working with. Anyway, check them lights. Yeah, she looks good. She looks real good.
A few moments later.
Damn, this thing is loud. You guys, if you hear this thing in real life, right, versus these videos you keep seeing on YouTube, it's not a quiet bike. Stock form is definitely not quiet. I promise you that. Oh no, hell no. We're fixing my jacket for sure. Freaking freezing as weather. And this jacket's trying to... windy as hell, guys, not good. Why is there so much roadworks going on? Well, it's that time of the year, isn't it, where they need to rinse out all the rest of the money. Seen. It is cold, man. Oh, nice freezing. Jeez. This is It's so cold, right? These tyres are not heating up anytime soon. These brakes are incredible, man. You guys have no idea how strong these brakes are. It's ridiculous. Super strong brakes. They're absolutely phenomenal. My bread is freezing. I love this thing. Guys, this bike is phenomenal. The brakes are out of this freaking world. It is not a joke. The brakes on this thing, oh my gosh. I mean, yeah, that is not even funny. They bite and they freaking grab and hold so freaking hard. No way. I need to literally dedicate a video just to the brakes, because that is insane. That's what I said to so many people, like, these brakes can get you out of trouble very, very easily. They are that powerful, especially for the road. I mean, for the track you might want something that's got a bit more bite to it and last longer. As the temperatures like go up, you get less brake fade. But for the road, the thing is, even like a casual track day, this will be perfect. It'll be fine, it'll be alright. But for the road, good grief, these things are freaking powerful. It is not even funny. It is freezing now. I can't feel my fingers, so yeah, not good. Got to go back and lock this bad boy up. Oh, jeez. Hope this is the recording for you guys. rolling, squadded up. 2 vans deep. Oh man, it's freezing now, jeez. I love that pop it does. Just before it goes, drops right low into the revs, it just pops nicely. Oh, the heat is so good, wow. You know what, it makes a change riding at night. It's so freaking clear, it's nice. Oh, okay, go time. Gotta feel my fingers. These roads are a bit uneven, jeez. Can't do no naughty business on these. Bikes sound so freaking aggressive. Ooh, can't wait for the exhaust. That is going to be, oh, and the map, the remap as well, the exhaust and the remap. I wonder who, yeah, up map seems to be the thing. I don't actually know of anyone else in the UK that tunes these bikes. I mean, I'm sure there's people. I know Rent Tune has a good tune, from what I've heard. But yeah, I don't know of any in the UK, apart from getting an up map. So I wonder if anyone can do this ECU nicely and extract a lot of power out of this nasty engine. Man, this bike's performance here is filthy. Jeez. Super quick. And you guys, that's it. I'm clocking out. That was a fun ride for you guys. There wasn't much talking, it's just riding. That's what you guys like anyway, I'm sure. Apart from the supercar meets, you guys clearly like that. Anyway, guys, adios, I'm out. Like, share, subscribe. Yeah, like I said, it's free. I mean, I just put petrol in to ride this bike like this for you guys. So, subscribe, it's free. So the least you can do, jeez. And like, follow me on Instagram, jeez. Anyway, I'm out.